Absolutely! I've rewritten your script in a fully flowing, paragraph-style YouTube script, with major improvements for clarity, pacing, and excitement. I kept the YouTube tone energetic, casual, and hype-driven, while tightening it so it's easier to read aloud for narration. Here's the version. 2026 is shaping up to be the year of next-level smart glasses, and I've rounded up the absolute best coming your way. But before we dive in, if you want to stay ahead of the curve and see these crazy devices before anyone else, make sure to hit that subscribe button, it really helps. And I've done all the research so you don't have to. First up, we have Project Aura, the wired Android XR glasses. These are not your average AR glasses. They're a hybrid between traditional AR and the Apple Vision Pro, packed with insane features. While most AR glasses just mirror your screen from a phone or laptop, Project Aura goes way beyond that. The field of view alone is massive, far beyond the Viture Beast at 58, or the XR1 Pro at 57. That's huge enough for multiple virtual screens floating in front of you. And thanks to its power puck, just like Apple's Vision Pro, it has standalone capabilities with all the Android apps you could ever want. Plus, full hand tracking, so you can interact with everything naturally. But the real game changer is Gemini AI. This AI isn't just smart, it's intuitive. You can ask it about anything you're seeing, like identifying a tree, a fruit, or a monument, or even controlling mirrored apps from your laptop. Imagine having Lightroom open and asking, "How do I blur this background?" And Gemini walks you through it in real time without needing you to specify what app you were using. That's next-level AR meets AI. Next, Android is also bringing wireless XR glasses and AI glasses. Without a display, both will be all-day wearable, built with Samsung, Warby Parker, and Gentle Monster, and come with cameras, translation, and prescription support. The wireless XR glasses feature a single-lens color display, perfect for showing many notifications, translations, or AI-guided instructions. They're lightweight, stylish, and look like normal glasses, but with full AI-powered heads-up display features. The non-display AI glasses, on the other hand, focus on audio interactions, music, calls, AI, assistance, live translation, and recording, basically everything a Ray-Ban Meta can do, but powered by Google's ecosystem. Then there's Snapchat Spectacles, which are truly next level. Snap has been working on AR glasses since 2011, and the 2026 version brings shared AR experiences to the real world. You can play AR games with friends, learn instruments interactively, explore 3D anatomy together, and use millions of AR lenses created by independent developers, with features like hand tracking, voice control, 6DOF, and fast charging. These glasses blend fun, education, and practicality like no other device out there. Amazon is stepping in with Project Jayhawk, its first consumer smart glasses, expected late 2026. These will include a display in the right lens, cameras, microphones, and full integration with Amazon apps like Audible and Music. Apple is also joining the race with Apple Glasses, likely releasing in 2027, with display and non-display options that integrate seamlessly with iPhone apps, like Maps, Music, and Health. Finally, we've got Rokid AI glasses, a stylish non-display alternative for those who don't need a screen. These look like classic Ray-Bans, but packed powerful AI features, live translation with subtitles, music playback, recording, and ChatGPT 5 support, with sleek designs and fast updates. They're perfect for everyday use, without the bulk of full display glasses. Of course, there are tons of other upcoming smart glasses, like Alibaba's Quark, S1, and Techno AI Glasses Pro, but honestly, the ones I've covered are the most exciting, with the most practical and game-changing features. 2026 is going to redefine what smart glasses can do, from AI assistance and AR gaming to travel, navigation, and education. So, which of these smart glasses are you most excited about? Personally, I can't even pick just one. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on the coolest tech hitting the market next year. 2026 is going to be wild, and you don't want to miss it.